Welcome back. Today we loaded the dogs in the Jeep and embarked on a journey to Winston-Salem, North Carolina to discover a true gem, a historic Shell station like no other. Back in the roaring 1920s, the innovative minds of Bert Bennett and his nephew Joseph Glenn Jr. hatched a brilliant marketing concept. They decided to create buildings shaped like the iconic Shell logo, resulting in an architectural marvel that effortlessly combined style and practicality. This wasn't just any station, it was a masterpiece of novelty architecture where art and function coexisted in perfect harmony. Inspired by the Shell Oil Company's emblem, patented in November of 1930, the station stands as a unique concrete structure about 18 foot tall. Crafted from curved green wood, wire, and concrete stucco, it boasts a central entrance and charming recessed windows on either side. While 8 of these impressive structures were built in the Winston-Salem and nearby Kernersville area, this is the last survivor, making it truly one of a kind. For over 2 decades, this station served motorists until the 1950s, when changing traffic patterns led to newer stations. These wonders faded into obscurity. Fast forward to 1970, J. Don Watson breathed new life into this vacant space, using it for a lawnmower repair business, eventually purchasing the building in 1980. It was recognized as a symbol of architectural creativity and listed on the National Register of Historic Places in May 1976. It did sit empty, though, and by the 1990s, it languished in neglect. Enter Preserve North Carolina, a dedicated guardian of historic treasures. Their year-long effort and $50,000 investment brought the station back to life. Layers of paint were stripped away, worn doors lovingly restored, and time-worn cracks carefully mended, and the exterior returned to its vibrant orange-yellow hue. Adjacent to the building, a wooden trellis shelter, once a car wash and a shade for service, was created to its former glory. Restored gas pumps and a replica lamppost, generously provided by the Shell Oil Company, added the finishing touches. Today, this Shell service station, while privately owned, is under the watchful eye of Preservation North Carolina and stands as a testament to the past. And while the interior is off limits, glimpses through the windows offer a nostalgic peek into period products and captivating photos. If you visit, feel free to pause and take in the sights, but remember to be respectful of the residential neighborhood. Allow about 15 minutes to let it all soak in. And as always, if you enjoyed this adventure, remember to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. It's the little things like that that help little fledgling channels like this. And click subscribe in order to hear about future videos. Until next time, happy exploring.